Okay, welcome to Robot Masters. This is Nathan, and we got the LG Core Zero R9. Do you guys remember this robot vacuum? Probably not, because I haven't showcased this guy in about a month now. But I've received several updates, and this guy is actually a really good cleaner. So he may be red and hot, but he's also a very bossy little robot. He'll tell you what's up. If you stand in front of him while he's cleaning, he'll tell you to step aside. Also, when he goes from his docking station, he'll also tell you to step aside so he can get his exact location. He's not afraid to say, hey, let me clean and you go away and do something else. I find that the normal power setting is fine for my household. I rarely ever have this robot do entire house cleaning. I do like the select area and go, where I select an area or room and the robot will just clean a certain room. That's how I deal with most of my robot vacuums. Even like my really efficient Roborock S6, I never have it do an entire house cleaning. I usually just do a single area. The reason behind this is since I have a 3-year-old, there's a lot of toys laying around, clothes, cords, and these robots tend to get hung up, even the smart ones, so it's easier just to clean up a single area and have that robot vacuum just do that area. This guy has one of the largest batteries I've seen in a robot vacuum. It's over 5,000 milliamp hours, similar to what the Roborock S5 and S6 has, and you can get a little over an hour on its turbo mode and close to 2 hours on its normal mode. What's nice about this guy, it also has a carpet boost mode, so you can hear it ramp up its motor when it detects carpet. Okay, so this guy is really good at not bumping into furniture. It can detect any types of object, black, clear, glass, because it uses both the camera and laser system, so it does really good job picking up small objects, large objects, doesn't bump into furniture, kind of like the Roombas do. So if you're worried about your furniture, I would recommend looking into the LG. It is a kind of a pricey robot, but you do get a really good cleaner for the price. Also, this guy is a security camera, so you could actually access the live camera feed and use it as a 2-in-1 product. Sorry about going into frame. I actually had to take care of things as I'm filming, so you may notice my awesome self inside the frame. So one thing I would note is the LG does not have a side brush. It relies on its extractor's vacuum to pull out the debris, and I did do a test with some candies and I noticed that large chunks the robot struggles with. There is a mode where it says edge only, but again, without an actual side brush, the robot does struggle. As you can see that the robot does fine with its back and forth cleaning pattern, and it does really well avoiding those thin chair legs or whatever those things are called. Okay, so it looks like we're almost done. The robot finished up and now it's just gonna finish up the living room area and then it's gonna go behind the couch, and as I mentioned, this is where the robot struggled. And you may notice that room off to your left, well, that room was blocked off in the app. So this guy also has keep out zones or no-go zones, and it does fairly well staying out of those areas. And I have used it on this guy, and it's probably as good as a Roomba, probably not as accurate as like the Roborock, but I would say the feature does work. Okay, so the robot did not get stuck once. It was able to navigate my entire house, no problems. So would I recommend this robot? It's up to you. If you want to spend over $1,000 for a robot vacuum that really doesn't offer any additional cleaning features, then yeah, it's great for like maybe a high-end apartment or high-rise, someone with a smaller luxury apartment. But for the most part, people will be happy with like the Nidos, the Roombas, the Roborocks, maybe an iLife series. A lot of people don't care how the robot vacuum looks, just as long as it cleans really well. Okay, so here's the last part of the area that the robot has to clean, and it kind of got stuck. Spent a good 8 or so minutes trying to figure out where it was, and it actually shut down its extractor motors at one point and got its bearings, and then eventually it found its way out. So if you like these types of full house cleaning videos, please smash the like button, helps me gauge if this video is popular or not. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. This is Robot Masters. I do a lot of crazy testings, unboxings, overviews. And here's the results of the full house cleaning. Looks like the robot did a fair job. It was on its normal power setting. I didn't put on turbo mode because I found that the normal power setting was sufficient to pick up most of the dirt. Okay, so you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you guys are safe out there and you guys are enjoying your robot vacuums. If you are planning to purchase one, let me know down in the comments. I may be able to help you choose the best robot vacuum for you.